Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So today is a massive day for earnings. We have a number of earnings coming through after the market close. So we've got Apple, we've got Microsoft, we've got Alphabet A and Alphabet C, as well as Visa. So those are the notable ones, and then there's a whole host of smaller companies as well. So for me at the moment, earnings has been fairly good. Actually, I suppose I'm being a little bit conservative there. It's been very good, all things considered. So up until today, last week was pretty good. Yesterday was pretty good as well. And I don't expect anything to change. So I think we're kind of in a holding pattern at the moment, waiting for the next bit of structure. But yeah, this engulfing bar here that we've got yesterday, so we had the sell-off. It seems to be like a Monday thing. You have Monday sell-off, Monday sell-off, Monday sell-off, Monday sell-off, Monday sell-off. So immediately reversed and gave us an engulfing bar. Oscillators are indicating that we are a little bit tired. We know we're tired. That is on pretty much every chart at the moment. And we've also got these diversions forming on the 3-hour here. You can see high, higher high, high, low. So that is diversions indicating some kind of a pullback to the downside. So not going to point us just trading these diversions. You need to wait for the other market conditions to fall in line as well. And at the moment there is pretty much nothing. We've come back to test the structure here. So rule of thumb for today is really trade the lower time frames and keep your stops as tight as possible. So you'll see the hour. Wouldn't surprise me to see the hour come back onto structure, especially on the oscillators here, and give you another opportunity to buy in on this. The only bit of structure we have is kind of where we are now. There's nothing else close by. The next bit is way down here. So that's somewhere in the area of 34,900. So on the hour, the current trend is up. So we're looking for pullbacks and to buy into it. Yesterday, opportunity was there, just not off any structure that I was watching, let's put it that way. So you can see the bounce here off 34,800, and you see the hour, and this is just why I look at the hour chart more than anything else, is it gives you the structure. You can see there's a pin bar off a level. You can wait for the bar to finish, then you can have a look at the level, see whether the level is that important, which you can see it was, and then take the opportunity to buy in on that, and you would have had a nice decent trade. So for me, caution. You have big results coming out, probably a good sizable chunk of the total market cap of the market, which will be affected, which will be in trade today. So be very cautious about that. I don't suspect anything in those companies' results that's going to influence the market, but you never know how people react to what they see. Okay, so I think the key thing here is wait for structure and then look for something to buy into. You want to go with the trend on 15 minutes, more than likely the chart that I would pay attention to, and you can see here, if you look at the 15 minutes compared to the hour, so I think that would have been the close of the hour there, and then you had the next 15-minute bar, which would have given you a fairly strong opportunity off structure with a stop below the structure. That's kind of what I would expect to transpire today. So just have a look at these 15-minute levels, see what happens. Price gets there, you get some kind of price structure. You can see there it's the inside bar with an engulfing. That's a pretty good setup to take the trade for a move to the upside, especially when the 1 hour was conforming to that as well. So anyway, this is sit on hands until I see something. I don't want to be long up here. I'd rather be long further down, and definitely not interested short. So if this thing does fall today, I'm looking for an area where it'll find some support, and we'll look for an opportunity to buy into it there. If I see something, as usual, put it up in the Telegram channel for you. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.